Let's continue with practice problem number 5. So that is the labeling of our right triangle. Our hypotenuse is 20. Our angle of inclination, theta, is equal to 45 degrees. And the opposite side is 14.14. And then the adjacent is 14.14. Take note that 14.14, the adjacent side and the opposite side was determined using the Pythagorean theorem. So we have x squared plus x squared is equal to 20 squared. And so, 2x squared is equal to 20 squared. And then, from there, we can get the value of x, which is 14.14. I hope you understand how we got uh, opposite is equal to adjacent is equal to 20 over squared of 2, which is 14.14 in this solution. And then, practice problem number 6. A 10-meter tall flagpole casts a shadow 6 meters long. Sketch the right triangle and identify the sides relative to the angle of elevation of the sun. So we're given the opposite, which is the height, 10 meters. And then the shadow is 6 meters. So we are required to label the sides and define the angle of elevation and also the hypotenuse. So since we are given the opposite and the adjacent, we can get the angle of elevation. We can get the angle theta using the tangent function. So the tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So from there, we can get theta is equal to arctangent of opposite over the adjacent. So our solution, theta is equal to arctangent of 10 over 6. And the answer is approximately equal to 59.04 degrees. So we are given the opposite 10 meters and the adjacent 6 meters. We can get the uh, hypotenuse again using Pythagorean theorem. So hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. And hypotenuse only, that is equal to the square root of opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So in our solution here, as shown in our uh, screen, hypotenuse is equal to the square root of 10 squared plus 6 squared, which is approximately equal to 11.66 meters. And then final answer, the theta is 59.04, the hypotenuse is 11.86, and the opposite side is 10 meters, the adjacent side is 6 meters. This is now the sketch of number 6. So hypotenuse 11.66, the height 10 meters, and then theta 59.04, and our adjacent is 6 meters. So hypotenuse is 11.66 meters. Then, number 7, a person looks up at the top of a tree, making a 40-degree angle with the ground. Draw the right triangle and show the sides with respect to the observer's angle. So we're given the adjacent side 20 meters and then the angle theta 35 degrees. So we are required the building height ignoring observer's eye height. So we need to use, so since we are given we are given the adjacent side, we can obtain the opposite side, which is the height, using tangent function. So tangent 35 degrees uh, is equal to the height over the adjacent. And from there, the height is equals to adjacent multiplied by tangent of theta. So the solution, as you can see in our slide, h is equals to 20 tangent 35 degrees using once again the tangent function. The tangent of 35 degrees is opposite, which is the height, over uh, over the given adjacent side, which is 20 meters. So by cross multiplying, you will get h is equal to 20 tangent of 35 degrees, which is approximately 14 meters. So the final answer, the height is 14 meters. And this is the drawing of our number 7 practice problem. So the line of sight theta is 40 degrees. The, the distance from the tree to the uh, eye of the observer is the adjacent, which is given to be the value equal to um, 20 meters. Though in the problem, the adjacent side 20 meters is not reflected. So I got a mistake in there. So just say there is 20 meters in our problem. And so therefore, the height, which is the opposite, represented by h, can be determined using the tangent function. Number 8, a tree 12 meters tall is supported by a rope that makes a 30 degrees angle with the ground. Illustrate the triangle and identify which ratio relates the tree's height and the rope's length. So we are given the opposite is 12 meters. Theta is 30 degrees. The hypotenuse is the rope length. So required ratio relating the height and the rope. Compute the rope length L, which is the hypotenuse. So required the ratio relating the height and the rope and compute the L. So our solution using the sine function, sine of angle theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is L. Substitute now the value of theta, which is 30 degrees, and the opposite to be 12 meters. So we have solution. Sine 30 degrees is equal to 12 over L. and then cross multiplication, L is equals to 12 over sine 30 degrees. And if you calculate the value, the answer is 24 meters. So the final answer, you need to use the sine ratio, and the rope length is 24 meters. And that is the illustration of number 8. Let's proceed with practice problem number 9. A flagpole is 8 meters tall and supported by a wire tied 10 meters away from its base. Sketch the triangle and identify the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse relative to the ground angle. So we're given opposite 8 meters, adjacent 10 meters. So we are required to label the sides of the triangle and then find the hypotenuse and the ground angle. So since we are given the opposite side and the adjacent side, we can get the hypotenuse using Pythagorean theorem. Hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. If you would only like to get the hypotenuse, that will be the square root of opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Using that formula in our solution, we have hypotenuse is equal to the square root of a squared plus 10 squared. The computed value is 12.81 meters. And because opposite and adjacent sides of the triangle are given, we can use tangent theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And theta can be solved by using the formula equal to arctangent of 8 over 10, which is equal to 38.66 degrees. So the final answer, we have opposite 8 meters, adjacent 10 meters, and the hypotenuse, we calculated it to be 12.81 meters, and then the angle theta is 38.66 degrees. And this is the illustration. The opposite is 8 meters, the adjacent is 10 meters, and then hypotenuse was calculated to be 12.81 and meters, and then angle theta was also calculated to be 38.66 degrees. And we will have the next part of our quarter 3 measurement and geometry lesson Roman numeral number 1.